Welcome to another video of the project Stargate. In this video we will take a look at the changes that I made to the design of the gate upon reviewing the prototype that I already printed. And then we will take a look at the whole thing. Since you saw the pedestal last time, it wasn't painted, now it is. So we will take a look at it, and then I will basically tell you what will happen next. So let's go straight into it. Okay, so we are in Creo and we will take a look at all those changes. So first I will mention the cosmetical changes. So this panel, if you remember, here was opening for the holes, and here as well for the pins that went through this part of the body. When I designed it like that, I didn't really know about the bridging, and that's why I made it a hole through the entire part. But since then I basically learned that it's really unnecessary, so I got rid of the hole, or holes rather, and now it's one single piece. The same thing goes for the back panel. As you can see here, the same thing as well. But also this part was a separate piece for the same exact reason. Now I obviously have it as one piece. So this is the first thing. The second thing is the inner ring. You may have noticed on the actual print that those dividing lines are not really there. Same as the ring on the Earth symbol. It's because when I the original design was the lines were so thin that it was thinner than the actual extruder head, meaning that it didn't really print it out. The sad thing is that the slicer already showed me that, but I didn't really notice that, only after it was printed. So that is why there are no dividing lines and no circle on the add symbol. So on the other gate that I will print, or next gate, it should be corrected. So those were the cosmetic changes, and now the most important change, I guess. Okay, now we have those two halves, and this is the main difference. I prepared those holes here, those conical holes, and here to the other part I did this normal hole, but with much larger diameter than before, and inside all those holes I put those new pins. The reason behind that is that the way it was designed before, those connecting rods were way too small, or rather thick, and they were prone to breakage. On this design that shouldn't really happen. So this is the new way how to put those two halves together. I hope this works way better than the first attempt, and hopefully on the next gate I won't have to use the glue to connect those two parts of the gate. Okay, so this was basically the only major change from the prototype. Everything else, as you see, is only cosmetic. So that will be all for the design, and now we can take a look at the final paint of the first attempt.
Alright, so Here we have the gate with the off-world pedestal and the DHD in the final state. So I will say that the pedestal was actually painted with the brush. I experimented with it, and I have to say that I am not really happy with the result. The spray paint was way better on the gate. Unfortunately, I chose the paint, the brush, and it really, I don't know if it will be visible, but it's very well visible with naked eye that it was actually painted with a brush. I'm not really happy how it turned out, but I think for a prototype, it's okay. All the functionalities are still there, as you can see, and that's how it turned out. Even painted, it is still very easily capable to be disassembled. I will show you. Simply move the stairs down, open the upper part, remove the gate, remove the part with the wheel, one part, second part, and two main halves. Now, as you can see, it's disassembled very easily, and that's really something that I really love. So I will put it back together, and well, for the future, at least I know that painting such a big thing with a brush is not really good idea. That's what the spray paint is for. So yeah, live and learn. And what next? Next, I plan to, well, not plan because I'm already doing that, to print the Stargate Command pedestal. I actually can tell you that I am almost finished with it. It will be, everything done should be theoretically 1 day from now, maybe 2 days, I don't know, we'll see. Here I will not bother with the details. I will leave them for the separate videos about that part. So it would kind of conclude this video. As you can see, still working. So I just wanted to show you how it actually looks, how it turned out, and I hope you liked it, and we will see each other on the next video. Okay, thank you and bye bye.